Welcome to day 3 of 14 days of SelfLove Facial Series to achieve clear, healthy skin and clear, healthy minds. Please close your eyes and place your hands on your heart. Imagine where you would like to be right now. I am imagining myself by the sea. Let's breathe in for 3, hold for 3, and breathe out for 3. Repeat 3 times to completely unwind and let go of whatever is holding you back. In today's facial, we will be counting our top 20 blessings while we are performing our anti-aging lifting facial massage, focusing on smoothing the wrinkles around the eye area, foreheads and mouth area. Let's begin by dedicating this facial to ourselves. Our personal affirmations will begin now. I am grateful for my skin, for my hands, and I am grateful for the warmth I get when I touch my skin. I am blessed to be protected during this time. I can breathe. I am grateful for each breath I can take and for each new day. I am grateful for the good health of my family, my parents and friends. I am blessed with the chance to have a comfortable place to live, to eat whatever I choose, and to purchase whatever I need. I am blessed to be able to drink clean water whenever I want. I am blessed for the technology that enables me to connect with the world. I am blessed to be connecting with you all today. I'm grateful for the pain and struggles I've encountered, which has made me be who I am today. I am grateful for all the life lessons of my past that helped my growth and character. I am grateful for the ability and my willingness to continually grow and learn. I am grateful for the ability to enjoy life and play sports without any physical limitations. I am grateful for God's creating me as who I am and not like anyone else in the world. I am grateful that I do a job that makes me feel good and inspired. I am grateful to know that I am not perfect and accept my vulnerabilities. I am grateful to know that I'm loved and I can love. I am blessed to receive prayers by my loved ones, my family, parents, and friends. I am grateful for being able to laugh. I'm grateful for the universe, the blue sky, the fresh air, the sun, the moon. I'm grateful for all colors of life. I'm grateful for today and for having a new day to live. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment of what you are grateful for today. I will be grateful if you can please subscribe to my channel so we can stay connected. Thank you, lots of love, and stay safe.